crafters, and welcome to Creative Moments by G. Guess what time it is? It's our March card challenge. We are so excited to present that to you today. We have a fun fold that's super easy and has a mini top fold card on top of it. We think you're really going to like it. We cannot wait to see all your cards that, remember, you need to post over on our Facebook page, Creative Moments by G. Look for the posting that says post your card challenge here, and then go ahead and just post your photos. You have until Monday, March 14th at midnight. Just something fun to do. We hope that you participate. And on Tuesday, March 15th, when we go live, we will announce the person who was randomly selected. So let's just all share some inspiration with each other and get some great ideas. Now, if you are selected, we will be sending you the Hello Friend that you can't get anymore because it's not in Stampin' Up! Celebration, and also the paper that goes with it. So let's head down to the crafting table and let's make this card. Now remember, all the measurements will be listed over on creativemomentsbyg.com, so you don't have to worry about that. But let me show you what the card looks like. Here you go. It just has a small card on a base. This is just a mat. So this little card opens up, and there's so many possibilities. And remember, stay with us to the end because we have 2 more examples to show you. The first thing you need to do is cut your paper 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then we need to go ahead and cut some strips that are going to go on the side right here. And those are simply 4 inch by 1 inch. So let's go ahead and lay that down. And this will give you just a small border around the edge. So just bring it in a little bit. Now we're going to lay down the other side. And now we are going to create our card that goes in the middle. For this one, you're simply going to cut 8.5 by 3 1/4. And then you're going to score that in the middle, which would be 4 1/4. Go ahead and fold it over and bring in your bone folder to burnish it. And now you simply add this to the front of your card. What's great about this card is you can use any stamp set. You can make it for a child. You can make it for your friend, family members. Such a fun design. And now we have created some mats that we're going to add some color to this. We have a 3 by 4 and then a 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. So let's go ahead and add those. Now what you can also do on the side strips right here is you could emboss your cardstock. And I'm going to show you an example of that. Now we're going to put this to the side and we are going to stamp our inside mat. And we have some beautiful flowers. We are using flowers from Art in Bloom. We're going to add some leaves, and we're also going to add our sentiment. Thank you for the beautiful ways that you've touched my life. And now we're going to bring in some leaves. And now we're simply adding this to the top of our card. And there we have our fun fold, top fold card. Now here's the card I showed you earlier. Such a fast card. You can use flowers. You can use peaches. We did this daffodil card. You have plenty of room to write your sentiment. And we did a fun card. Just a quick note to say, we used our little cheese and we embossed our side panels. We cannot wait to be inspired by your cards. So remember, you have until Monday, March 14th to upload your photos on our Facebook page. All you have to do is look for that posting that says March Card Challenge. Post here. Go out and have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.